Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 1, Lesson 35. Our learning goal for today says, I can arrange number towers from 10 all the way down to 1. Alright, so that tells me we're going to be taking away. We're going to start at 10 and we're going to go down the stairs to 1. Well, this is great because actually, see that delicious fly down there at 1? My friend Froggy is really hungry and she needs to get from 10 all the way down to 1. So you're going to have to do the work. I have no idea what to do because all I see is she's stuck way up here. So how are we going to move Froggy down the stairs all the way to eat that delicious fly? Who has an idea? Oh, you have an idea? If we're at 10, how are we going to get to 9? Oh, yeah, we can take one less. Because if I take one away, I end up at 9, right? Yeah, that's going to help us. All right. Now, how are we going to get from 9 all the way down to 8? Oh, same thing? If we have 9 and we take one away, how many do we end up with? 8. Who could tell me a sentence? 1 less than 8 is, and then finish that sentence. 1 less. That means if I take 1 away from 8, 1 less than 8 is, what would you say? Perfect. 1/8 then, or 1 less than 8 is 7. What about 1 less than 7? What would that be? Perfect. It would be 6. See, every time we're at a number and we take one less, we take one away, the number is going to get one smaller. And hey, what do you notice about our frog? She's cruising and grooving all the way down to get to that delicious fly. See, all we had to do was take one away every single time. We started at 10 and we ended up at 1. Let's count backwards at 10 all the way to 1. Let's do that together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're down to eat dinner with that delicious fly. But you know what? I think I'm going to let her eat that because I'd rather have some pizza. You know, our learning goal said I can arrange number towers from 10 to 1. And if we keep in mind that they go one less is just one smaller every single time, that will help us arrange the towers the right way. Okay, so this is what I would like you to do. Froggy is stuck on step number 3, and she needs to get to 1. So I need you to make a video and tell me what advice would you give her to go from 3 to 2 to 1. All right, what are you going to tell her? What does she need to do? Add, take one away? I don't know. Let me know what you come up with. Make a good video to tell me. Good luck, friends.